It's me, Maverick Lee, and if you are new here, then welcome to my channel. Here is a little tip. When I wear fragrances, here is how I sometimes wear them. First of all, I'm currently wearing this, so if you are wearing a jacket, a coat when you go out, or even a suit, I do not advise you to spray this directly on top. However, what you should do is, what I do, is take off your jacket like this, and before you go out, maybe 5 minutes before if you want, doesn't really matter, you can get the fragrance and you can spray it here from a distance, not too close of course. 1, 2, 3, and then one for good luck at the back and let it fall down on your back. Now, then you can put your jacket on top and the smell will last even longer and it will hit like it's just been put on throughout the rest of the night. A little trick I do is sometimes I will get some petroleum jelly, in this case Vaseline, and I will actually get some, put it on my wrist, and I will spray it maybe 2 times. I will rub it together like this and it will last all day, let alone night. Back when I was a teenager and I was kind of struggling for money and I couldn't just splash out all this money, say £60, $70 on a 100ml fragrance, what I would do is I would sometimes get Vaseline, petroleum jelly, and I would spray directly into it like this. I'm not going to do it now, but I'm going to show you. I would spray it maybe 5, 6, 7 times, whatever, depends. Anywhere up to 10 times, depending on the size. And then well and truly mix it together and close the lid. And there you have your very own fragrance whenever you need it. And that is going to last you all day. It will make sure that the fragrance lasts even longer. And if you want, you can even put a little label on the front. That's it. That's all from me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit like and subscribe to the channel. It really motivates and encourages me to produce more videos like this for you all. Thanks for watching.